Now, say you had a mixed number and you wanted to convert this to get an improper fraction. So what we would do is we just have to work in reverse from working from an improper fraction to changing it to a mixed number. So we were dividing before, and now we're going to be multiplying and adding a bit. So what we have to do is multiply the denominator by the whole number. So that's going to be 3 times 2, and then we're going to add this remainder. That remainder there. And that right there is going to be 8. And then we have to keep the denominator the same, so it's 3. And that makes sense, right? Because if we were trying to put 3 into 8, 3 would go into 8 twice, right? So that would be 6. And you'd have the remainder of 2. So then you'd have, right, your whole number, which is 2. You have the denominator, which you keep the same, and you have the remainder here, excuse me. And that's how to work from getting from a mixed number into an improper fraction, where the numerator has to be greater than the denominator here. So let's work on another one. Say we had 3 1/7. So how we could do this, so we could say 3 times 7, right? Because we want to multiply this denominator by the whole number, is 21. Okay? So we have 21 plus 1 over 7. So this is going to be 22 over 7. This is going to be our improper fraction that is equivalent to 3 1/7. Okay, so one more here. 5 over 4, I think we're getting the hang of it. We can say 5 times 5, okay, is 25. Then we're going to add this numerator here, because it's the remainder, over 5. So we have this equal to 29 over 5. Now another way to do this, if you prefer, you can write the whole thing out. So this will be 5 times 5 plus 4 all over 5. This is going to be 29 over 5. If you just wanted to see how it was written out, or all the steps that I was doing. Okay, so we can do another here. We can do 3 2/5. So we can have 3 times 5, right, plus 2 over 5. So that's going to be 15 plus 2 is 17 over 5. Okay? And that's how to get a mixed number back into an improper fraction. Remember, the numerator has to be greater than the denominator for it to be an improper fraction.